Hello, this is Sheree Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today we are going to be doing some dry brushing on our nails. I have on a coat of my base coat, First in Line by Sinful Colors. On top of that, I have a coat of this, the Wet n Wild Mega Blast with topping, which is white. The top coat that we're going to be using is Insta-Dry by Sally Hansen's because I'm out of my regular fast drying top coat this sheet. I'm going to be dry brushing with 5 colors, pink, purple, green, blue, and yellow, kind of along the neon lines. There's my thumb. We're going to be doing these 2 fingers here. When you do these, excuse me, try to wipe off as much polish as you can off your brush. That way, when you're swiping across your nail, you're getting hardly any polish off. I love this purple. Take your brush, wipe it off on the neck, inside the bottle, whatever, so that you're getting as little polish as possible. Hope I was in frame doing that. And this is all that you do. It's really simple, really easy, and I love doing it with the neons for the summer. Makes the colors pop using the white underneath them all, so that's always a good clue. Good idea to do that. Last but not least, we're using the yellow. And there we go, we're done. You can let these dry, or you could go right on over them, because with the neons they usually dry pretty quickly, and they usually dry matte. But this one already had the fast drying top coat on it, Sally's. But I don't know what you think of this. Leave me down a comment down below and let me know what you think. I love this. It's really super easy, as you just saw. Put your coat of your clear coat on, top coat, fast drying top coat, whichever you prefer to use. Don't forget to cap the edges. Protects your nails from any breaking and hopefully some chipping of the polish. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. Hit the like button. Leave me a comment. Oh, don't forget to click the bell. Get notified of all future videos. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.